Friends, in this lesson, we are going to learn Montreal Protocol. Before learning this Montreal Protocol, let's understand what is ozone. Ozone is an inorganic molecule. You can say ozone is like this O3, that is mixture of three oxygen atoms. So O, three atoms of oxygen, if they add, then that is ozone molecule. And this ozone is inorganic molecule with the chemical formula O3. So simply you can write ozone means O3. And ozone is also called trioxygen. So you can say ozone is called trioxygen. It's because it's a mixture or a combination of three oxygen atoms. And ozone is formed from dioxygen by the action of ultraviolet light and also atmospheric electrical discharges. Ozone makes of 0.63, you can say 0.63 ppm of atmosphere. This ozone has a very pungent smell, you can say. Now let's learn about Montreal Protocol. Montreal Protocol was held in very simple in Montreal, that's in Canada, one of the beautiful city in Canada, that's Montreal. And here we have to know the Montreal Protocol. You can see here Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete ozone layer. So ozone layer is most important for the protection of environment and human survival, animal world, plant kingdom, everything. So Montreal Protocol is all about ozone layer protection, or you can say those substances which deplete ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere, that is discussed in this protocol. And it was discussed also how to protect ozone layer, because without ozone layer, the Earth's atmosphere, the life on the surface of Earth is impossible. And this treaty was opened for signature on 16th September 1987 and entered into force in 1989. And it has gone several phases. And the first meeting also held in Helsinki. You can see here Helsinki. The first such things happen in Helsinki. You can see here Helsinki in 1989. Then you'll find in London, Nairobi, Copenhagen, Bangkok, Vienna, and Montreal 99, Beijing also. And all these conferences after this Montreal Protocol only to mitigate the problem of ozone layer depletion. And it is believed that if the international agreement is adhered to the uh, protocol, then ozone layer is expected to recover by 2050. So by 2050, the Earth can have a better life. The Montreal Protocol, here we can see the Montreal Protocol as a summary. Here you can see an agreement or international agreement signed by most of the industrial nations. You can see here most of the industrial nations to substantially reduce the use of chlorofluorocarbon. So chlorofluorocarbon, that is most dangerous for ozone layer, or you can say ozone layer depletion. So these are depleting substances, and you can see here also the Montreal Protocol substances that deplete ozone layer designed to reduce the production and consumption of ozone depleting substances. in order to reduce their abundance in the atmosphere and thereby protect the Earth's fragile ozone layer. Next point, you can see the protocol set limits on the production of chlorofluorocarbons, halogens. You can see here chlorofluorocarbon, halogens, and related substances that release chlorine or bromine to the ozone layer atmosphere. Sum total, you have to remember that this Montreal Protocol talks about ozone depleting substances and prohibiting of these ozone depleting substances, which ultimately causes ozone hole. So ozone hole is created by this ozone depleting substances, which is threat to human survival and also to the animal world. Thank you.